We almost had a chaffle disaster this week. Stick around, see what happened. So this week I wanted to make blueberry, lemon, and cream cheese chaffles. So we started with 1 egg, 2/3 of a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, about 2 tablespoons of cubed frozen cream cheese, some of this blueberry spread, and then some lemon extract for the lemon flavor. So we'll get that egg and mozzarella cheese mixed up here, ready to go. And then we're going to add the blueberry spread in here. It's 1 tablespoon. Now I think what really happened today is that there's too much of the blueberry. You can see here we got a 1/4 teaspoon of this lemon extract. If I was to make these again, I'd probably cut the blueberry spread down to maybe 1/2 tablespoon. Now, of course, this would probably be better with fresh blueberries. We just don't have anything local at the moment, so I wanted to make something using the spread I could get. Sometimes when you make chaffles, if there's too much liquid in it, the chaffle doesn't come together just right, which I think is what happened here. You know, they have great color and everything tastes really good. Again, here's the cubed frozen cream cheese. Now, if you've seen my videos before, you know that I love cream cheese and chaffles. Just gives it an extra delicious flavor once they're finished. But as I was saying, I think we wound up with a little bit too much liquid in this chaffle recipe this week. Again, I would have cut the spread back to about 1/2 tablespoon. That probably would have worked fine. So here it is all mixed up. So we've got the Dash Minis all preheated here, and we're going to load them up with the mix. Now at this point, everything looked really good. Again, I've not done this before, so I wasn't really sure what I was expecting, but the color is really nice, and the lemon extract really smelled good in this mix. I'd probably stick with a 1/4 teaspoon. I think that was enough for this recipe. So we'll get 2 chaffles loaded up here into the Dash Minis. And then we'll close them up and let them cook. So as you can see, they didn't really firm up very well. Now, it wasn't a complete disaster. I was able to get them out of the Dash Minis. One of them was worse than the other. And I had to kind of work at it, but we did get them out. And here's the one that turned out pretty well. After I let it sit for a while, it firmed up quite well. This one, however, the top didn't firm up at all. But they both taste good. I'm not disappointed with the way they taste, that's for sure. I just wouldn't put as much of the blueberry spread in next time. So hope you enjoy the videos. Give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you do. And we'll see you next week for another recipe. Keep on thriving, my friends.